Welcome to Twirl House Homespun, the house of homemade, yummylicious ice creams and desserts. I'm Riti Ray, a mother, a wife, a homemaker who has now turned an entrepreneur. And this is where all the magic is created. Let's meet the elves who work ever so hard at giving you best of the best. So if you want to join me at expanding homespun and reaching to a wide range of people, then please get in touch with me. So for all the hotels, cafes and restaurants, if you are looking to build an exotic desserts in your menus, please don't forget to get in touch with me at the below number. Blueberry ice cream, Sitafal ice cream, cheese cherry pineapple ice cream, coffee caramello ice cream. One of the best seller cheese cherry pineapple ice cream